Hello kids, today we have a grammar lesson about verb to be in the present simple affirmative form. But first, let's have a look at subject pronouns. I, you, I, you, he, she, it, he, she, it, we, they, you, Okay, now it's time for verb to be. In which tense? In the past? In the future? No, in the present, simple tense. And in which form? In the negative? In the interrogative? No, in the affirmative form. Take a look at this sentence. I happy. Now there is a missing word here. What is it? The missing word is verb to be. Okay, now when you put the verb to be in the present simple affirmative form and you have I, what do you get? I am happy. Okay, and by the way, this is what we call the long form. It's long. How about the short form? The short form is I'm happy. Okay, I am happy. I am happy. I'm happy. Okay, next, you sad. Again, there is a missing word here. And the missing word is, of course, the verb to be. Okay, so when you put verb to be in the present simple affirmative form, but this time you have you. Okay, so what is the right word? You are sad, or you are happy, or whatever. Okay, now how about the short form? This is the short form. You're sad, or you're happy. Okay, next, he a boy. So what do we say with he? Do we say he am? No. He are? No. He is a boy. And the short form, he is a boy. He is a boy. He is a boy. Next, she a girl. So what do we say? Do we say she am? No. She are? No. Do we say she is? Yes, she is a girl. And this is the long form. As for the short form, it is she's a girl. She's sad. She's happy. Okay. Next sentence. It, a cat. Do we say it am or it are or it is? It is a cat. Okay. As for the short form, it's a cat. It is a cat. It's a cat. Next. We, teachers. Do we say we am or we are or we is? We say we are. We are teachers. We're teachers. That's the short form. Next sentence. You, students. Do we say you am or you are or you is? We say you are. You are students. Next. Or, by the way, short form. Your students. Okay, we move on. Last sentence. They, friends. Do we say they am or is or are? They are. They are friends. This is the long form. As for the short form, it is their friends. They are friends. Their friends. That's it for now. Take care and goodbye.